My name is Mercedes Cano. I am an immigration attorney here in the city of New York, and I have some news for you regarding the extended DACA and the DAPA, which is an employment authorization for parents of United States citizens or legal permanent residents. On April 18 of this year, 2016, the United States Supreme Court heard the arguments pro and con this executive order that President Obama had signed into law on November of 2014. The DAPA basically will give an employment authorization to the parents of the United States citizens or residents, and those parents with that employment authorization document will qualify to apply for a Social Security card, a driver's license, or whatever other license they need. The extended DACA is for the young people that entered the country before the age of 16, have been present since January of 2010, independent of how old they are today, but that they finish or will finish the high school or will obtain a GED. That is the other part of the law. We are thinking that in combination with the DACA and the DAPA, about 5 million parents and young people will be eligible to apply for this. The executive orders that the presidents of the United States had signed had been on in the U.S. since the time of President Eisenhower. They are signed into law whenever there is an emergency in the United States that doesn't have an immediate solution. And we believe that the parents of these people do need the employment authorization and do qualify instead of being deported. So what do we need to do? Organize ourselves. The very first thing that a parent should do is go and look into the birth certificate of that child, of your son or daughter. Make sure your name and your date of birth is accurate and in that birth certificate. Then we have to take care of any issues that we may have. If you owe child support for other children anywhere in the world, you got to take care of that. Any situation that you may have. You also have to have documents that are current, like your passport or any type of document that is going to show who you are. Then we need to prove that you've been present in the United States since January of 2010. We need to prove that with bank accounts, your cellular bills, hospital bills, receipt of monies that you have sent to your country, anything and everything that prove that you have been physically present since January of 2010. Finally, I am going to suggest you become part of a group, an organization, any type of group of people that like this situation, that will defend the situation. And if there is no group, then create a group. Become, part of any type of group that will help you, that will support you, and they will maintain information about this situation. Please do follow us on our social media, or if you need more information, look us up or call us up for us to discuss any type of issues that you have. Thank you very much.